Good morning, Dain. You're up early today.
Yeah, I'm trying to start my day earlier. I want to have more time to exercise.
Nice. Did you go for a run?
Not today. I just did some stretching and made coffee.
That's a good start. What time do you usually wake up now?
Around 6. It's tough, but I feel more productive.
I wish I had your discipline. I hit snooze 3 times this morning.
You can start tomorrow. One small step at a time.
Now, let's look at some other ways you can say these sentences in daily conversations. You're up early today. You could also say, you're awake already. You're an early bird today. Didn't expect you to be up this early. I want to have more time to exercise. Different ways to express this. I want to make more time for exercise. I'm hoping to fit in some exercise. I need more time to work out. Did you go for a run? You could also say, did you run this morning? Did you go out for a run? What time do you usually wake up now? Here are a few variations. What time do you get up these days? When do you normally wake up?